Crafty friends, it's Sharon Lusky here from My Crafty Greetings again, and you may recognize this as the August Create and Inspire kit, and I wanted to use this specifically because it was one of the highlights for the summer for me. Watching Courtney launch her business and have her inaugural kit was just so much fun, so fantastic. Anyway, so I stamped this first flower here and I masked it to get the leaf behind it and totally lost the footage, but I did color it in with some Copics here on the petals. I did the darkest red followed by the lighter red and then blending that out to pink both in the center and at the outsides of the petals. I used AUG’20 on the stem and leaves, and then the auxiliary leaf spray here. I used 2 greens and blended them together. I just love flowers. Are they not one of the best parts of summer? And this summer has been so tough missing all our friends, so I thought this would be a great hello friend card. And yeah, it's just, I guess, reminiscing on the fact that this is all going and it seems like it hardly got here. It has been the weirdest summer on record. I'm sure a million of people have said it. I'm going to be 1,000,001. This has been a head scratcher. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to be putting some gold heat embossing over top of this, just the flower. I just want to highlight the flower, and then I'm going to gold heat emboss my sentiment here on this this little layered piece, my focal piece for my card. It's summer has been weird and fun, good, but I have landed myself on some bed rest because my back has been so bad. I know a few of you have probably noticed that I've fallen off the planet, at least planet YouTube. So I'm working really hard to try and get things back on track, both with my video recording as well as with my health. It's been not a lot of fun laying in bed, but you would be surprised of the number of crafty things that I can do when I'm laying down, including coloring these flowers. So it's Copics are a lot more forgiving when you're laying down than pens are, and it's one of the things that I can do, plus cutting paper and punching things out with punches. You know, so I've been trying to still keep myself busy doing some fun things, but I also have my dream book too, and I had so many techniques that I wanted to show for this video and it just wasn't going to happen. This was the card destined to be for today's video. So I've taken my Spectrum, I want to say Spectrum Noir sparkle pen, and I'm picking up some of that tonic shimmer powder, the sunlight crosset, and of course this has made it a super sparkly shimmery flower. It's kind of like the flower from Beauty and the Beast. I really loved this sparkle powder, and I have to say I could not wait to get up so I could mess around with it. And I do have a technique coming up for you to show you something different that you can do with these wild and awesome powders. So what you're going to do here is you're going to get, this is one of those bathroom paper towels from Kleenex. And you can use a paper towel if you like, whatever you got that's going to hold some moisture. Go ahead and squeeze the bottle. Don't squeeze it super hard, but squeeze it enough to get a good amount of powder out. I think that was the biggest fun. I felt so naughty squeezing that and seeing all that powder come out. I was like, whoa! And then when I actually looked at the bottle, it ended up not being nearly as much powder out of it as I thought. I thought I'd emptied half the bottle. But do be a little careful while you're emptying it out. But you want to just pick it up with the damp paper towel, and you're just going to swipe it. And what it's going to do is it will activate the different colors that are in there, and it'll actually leave little streaks of color. And this is also why this technique is an end of summer one for me, is those rays of sunshine that come through your window with the summer sun are one of my favorite things. If I have to be in bed and I get to see the sun shining through my window, I absolutely love it. So this technique reminded me of that, of the sunlight shining across and how beautiful it is. And I have to say, it's one of that summer sunlight is one of my highlights. It's one of the things that I'm probably most grateful for in life, is being able to enjoy the sun. So I cut these pieces out. I saved the center, so I've only used one 5x7 panel of that dark, I don't even know what kind of color you'd call that, ox blood. Doesn't sound very kind of card-like fun if the card stock's called ox blood, but it is that color. So, and what I did was I salvaged the two pieces from the center because I've only used a 1/4 inch rim around this, and I'm going to be using those to layer my focal piece here. And I also pulled out, that is the white cardstock from the kit that Courtney gave us, and then the lighter colored piece there is also that shimmer gold paper that is from Tonic that came out of the kit. That's some awesome fun paper. Oh boy, is it nice. So I'm going to layer these together here and get them all sorted out. I hope you all have had a great fun summer this summer. Hopefully there were some things, some activities you can enjoy, whether you were social distancing at the beach or if you had a swimming pool that you finally got to have all to yourself for the summer. You know, barbecuing just for your family in your home can be a great thing. I know we tend to only barbecue when we have company coming over, and we actually did more barbecuing this summer just for the two of us here. Well, of course the puppies got their mouthfuls of barbecue beef in as well. So yeah, it's been lots of fun, and you know, you got to make things what they can be and enjoy them for what they are, and you know, be glad for what we do have. Thank goodness we're not on total shutdown where everybody can't get out, can't do anything at all. Being able to return to some normal activities is better than no activities, and hopefully all of us are just being cautious and careful and taking care of each other. So I glued this finally onto my card here over top of that very cool background, and then I'm going to put some pressure on it, but I also used the packaging to make sure that my block did not stick to anything that it should not. So these gorgeous gems are also from the kit Trinity Stamps, and I think when we finally get down to Myrtle Beach, hopefully it's going to be soon. Once we get down to Myrtle Beach, I would love to put in a big order and grab so many of these yummy gems. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Thank you to Teresa Russell for organizing this special hop. Don't forget to hop along to the next person on the list. Have a great day and enjoy your last day of summer, my friends. Hopefully it's sunshiny where you are, and a good one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Here's a video that you might like to watch. Have a great day. Bye. What's the easiest way to get straight A's? Use a ruler.